सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। Namaskaram to all. Today, 15th of November, Monday, at evening, we have got the Mahatmya Prabhashanam about Srimad Bhagavatam. Of course, tomorrow onwards only we are going to start the 12 days Srimad Bhagavata Dvadashaha Satram. It is in the premises of Trivegapura Mahakshetram. As a part of it, today at morning, inside the temple, we had Maha Ganapati Homam with Ashtadrivyas, 8 Drivyas. That is to pray Lord Ganapati to function the program without any obstacles. And then we had the Anutnya Kalasha Puja. The word Anutnya means we are asking the 3 deities of this temple, which are Mahadeva or Shiva, Vishnu and Shankara Narayana. The whole 3 are equally important. Of course, there are Upadevas are also there. But considering the importance of these 3, Shivan, Vishnu and Shankara Narayana, we are asking the permission of, or we are taking the permission from these 3 as a symbol. We do, the Acharya of the temple, the Tantri of the temple has done Kalasha Puja. Kalasha means a pot made out of copper. Inside water is poured and puja is done in front of Mahadeva. Shiva Puja is done and the water is made sacred for the second puja in the morning. The Abhishekam or pouring the water on Shivalinga is done. Here on Shivalinga, this Abhishekam will be done at today evening only, because we have got Namajapa Pradakshinam with Hare Krishna Namajapa as a part of the flag hoisting process of tomorrow's or the 12 days Dvadashaha Satram program. So the Abhisheka of this Anutnya Kalasha on Shivalinga will be done at evening only. On the 2 other deities, Shankara Narayanan and Vishnu, this program is over at morning 9:30. The whole 3 pujas was done by the Tantri or the chief priest. So the permission of this Mahayajna or blessings of these 3 devas of this Mahayajna we have done in the morning. That's why it is called as Anutnya Kalasha. And then at evening, after 5 o'clock, Anutnya Kalasha Abhisheka to Mahadeva, the program will be started. The puja has done in the Kutampalam or Natya Mandapam inside the temple premises. From that, doing the Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, doing this japa. So many devotees will participate and doing pradakshina inside the temple. They will pass to the front of Mahadeva. After doing the Abhishekam, special puja will be there. That will be consecuted by the Tantri. After getting the permission from these 3 deities, again chanting the Hare Rama mantra, the devotees will come to the area where we are conducting this program, and the Pradishtha of the Sri Krishna Vigraha in the stage will be done by the Tantri. Just before that, the flag hoisting process as a symbol of, yes, Ho Guruvayurappa, we are going to start Bhakta Shiromani Vadakumlam Smaraka Dvadashaha Satram, the Satram for 12 days. Please permit us and help us, bless us to finish in a most sacred form, and please worship, blessings those who are participating in this unique function. And then after lighting the lamps and doing Nivedyam etc., Mahatmya Parayanam. Parayanam means reading Srimad Bhagavata Mahatmyam, the importance, how sacred it is and in which way it will help us for what we are reading. What is the significance of the reading, and what is the significance of telling the stories of Lord Mahavishnu? How it will become helpful to lead a spiritual life, etc. will be cleanly explained by the Acharya Venmani Krishnan Nambudiri Path. And there, after that one, doing the Mangala Shoga like Hara Shankara, Shiva Shankara, Duridam Kala Shivane, that is in Malayalam. It has been written by Vadakumlam Vasudevan Nambudiri. It is very famous in Kerala and other states in so many Srimad Bhagavata Sapraha, Yajnas. Afterwards, today's function will be closed, and tomorrow, exactly at 5:30, Panchakshara Dhyanam will be started, and other programs. You might get an idea with the other programs. If you do not have the idea, please ask, then I shall explain. Otherwise, Manuela will explain about that. Namaskaram to all. Namaskaram. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavel. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.